20% of the population needs no orthotic, and while 60% are fine with an over-the-counter orthotic foot support, another 20% suffer from foot disorders which require treatment with custom-made orthopedic arch supports. But everyone prefers personalized comfort once they try it. Because of its modular system, Pedag Professional Ortho Systems help orthopedic experts quickly fabricate arch supports with a precise fit. Pedag Professional Ortho Systems Guide to Digital Foot Measurement and Arch Support Fabrication. The first step is to capture an exact impression of the foot. The scanned data is transferred automatically to the OS software and can be adjusted manually. The 2D data presents foot weight distribution in color. You can also enter additional parameters manually, such as medical diagnoses or pressure points. All data captured by the scan and entered manually is retained for your documentation and can be printed on the construction printout if required. Based on this data, the OS software suggests components from the Professional Ortho Systems series: blanks, metatarsal pads, heel wedges, and balancing plates. Please note that these are recommendations, and if necessary, can be modified based on past medical history. The same symbols and color codes of the Pedag Ortho Systems packaging also simplify the selection of blanks according to shoe size, type of arch support, type of longitudinal arch, and weight and pressure load. If the arch support is a perfect fit, it is not necessary to change the curvature of the arch support blank. If, on the other hand, there is too large a gap between the patient's foot form and the selected arch support, replace it with a higher arch support or thermally adjust the longitudinal arch at a later time. When assembling the Met pad according to the construction printout, we recommend the use of our patented Pedag measuring plate. Thus, it's easy to transfer the measurement data. Set the measured metatarsal foot length by positioning and attaching the heel positioning part, and place the partially glued blank with the core onto the measuring plate. Hold the sock lining back, place the sample metatarsal pad precisely with the axes, and mark its position on the blank. Heat the adhesive layer on the factory pre-treated blank with a hot air blower or heat gun. Once the adhesive loses its matte finish and becomes shiny, it is ready for application. Position the Met pad to be used on the displayed markings. Now press the upper layer onto the blank, first by hand, being careful not to form wrinkles, and then with a special padded clamp using sufficient contact pressure. After 4 minutes, the adhesive will have cooled to a normal temperature, and you can remove the clamp. In the meantime, you can begin fabricating the second arch support. If the arch support requires thermoplastic molding to fit the longitudinal arch, Heat only the parts to be molded with a hot air blower or heat gun on low heat. Then shape the slightly warmed blank to fit. If necessary, rounded implements can be used to assist during molding. Finally, check the fit of the longitudinal arch directly on the foot. To finish construction, cover the bottom of the met pad area with the self-adhesive foil. After fitting the arch support outside the shoe, cut away the forefoot of the arch support if necessary, using the template to assure the correct shape. This is essential if you have, for anatomical reasons, used a blank that is larger than the shoe size of the patient. Finally, please take into account any potentially necessary support using heel wedges or balancing plates to compensate for differences in leg length. The custom-made arch support is finished. With professional Ortho systems, customized fabrication takes just 10 minutes. Pedag International, your partner for the simple, fast, and professional customization of orthopedic arch supports.